Hey, what's up, family? It's Queen of Things TV, and today is all about how to add your Facebook pixel to your WordPress site in a few easy steps. So let's get started. So what the heck is a Facebook pixel? The Facebook pixel is a tiny bit of code that you add to your site in order to help you measure the effectiveness of your Facebook advertising and analytics by understanding the actions that your users are taking on your site. So the Facebook pixel gathers the data and it will help you make better decisions about which ads are being shown to your users on Facebook or Instagram. And it also helps you tweak your audiences if you need to, because now you have more data about them and the actions that they're taking. So it helps you effectively advertise better or target them or target market to them. So you know me, I'm a tech made simple kind of girl. So let's get right into it and take some action. Go immediately to your Facebook page, and in the far right corner, if you're familiar with your ads manager, go ahead and click on Manage Ads. And then from there, I'm actually going to do something a little different, so don't necessarily mimic me. I have a business manager, but go to Events Manager, and then you should see under your Events Manager something called Pixels. This will be the same for you. Click on Pixels. And then, my friend, you can start creating a pixel if you haven't done it already. Create pixel, and then let's just get started. So this is going to be my test pixel, and we're just going to make something up, Queen of Things, pixel.com. Go ahead and create, and test pixel is done. So excited. So this is really easy, you guys. As you can see, once it all gets started, and you'll manually install this stuff, so don't worry about this. Just click out of it or click cancel. You'll see up here in the far left corner this pixel ID. Go ahead and copy that bad boy to your clipboard or to a notes or your sticky notes, because we're going to add it to our website next. So I've already logged into my WordPress site, and now I want you to install the official Facebook Pixel plugin. So let's do that right now. Head to plugins, install plugins. Sorry, you want to add new. Go to add new. And we are going to search for the Facebook Pixel. Once we're done with that, we'll look at that, and look, it'll say official Facebook pixel. Install now. Again, this is so simple, you guys. You're going to love this. Activate. I like activating mine pretty immediately. And then you're going to head to your settings section. So in settings, and I'll move my little video to the right, and you're going to head to settings, Facebook pixel. And then from there, remember we copied it to our clipboard. You may have copied it to your notepad. Go ahead and copy that ID, paste, save changes, and you, my friend, are all good in the hood, as we like to say. You're done. You're literally done. So what will happen is Facebook will add, or will WordPress, and with the Facebook plugin, it will add that Facebook ID, that pixel, to your header of every single page that you have. So from there, it's just all magic in the background. So one thing I want to show you is the Facebook Pixel Helper. So once you've added your Facebook Pixel to the site, what you'll do is, if you have Chrome, I have Chrome, you will download, or you'll look for the Chrome extension called the Facebook Pixel Helper. You can also do this with when you go through your installation on Facebook. It'll also show you how to install the Facebook Pixel Helper, but this is what it looks like. It's this blue little icon, and that will tell you, if it's green and it says 2, that will tell you that you have successfully installed your Facebook Pixel on your site, and Facebook can now it now knows that you have installed it and will start sending data to Facebook so that you can target your advertising. So If you like this video, make sure you give me a like below and let me know in the comments if you've added the Facebook Pixel to your website. Also, if you have any other additional questions about the Facebook Pixel, any of the updates that have happened, or just want to chit chat about technology, let me know in the comments too. And make sure you share this with anyone else that needs some help with their tech integration. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.